The 6 most amazing tigers in the world. Get ready to be amazed. Have you ever stopped to think about how vast our planet is? About the hidden wonders and creatures that seem to have come from a dream? In this video, we're going on an expedition to the magical world of tigers, exploring 6 of their most extraordinary variations. Get ready to be amazed, because each one has a story to tell, a fight for survival, and a breathtaking beauty. The white tiger, a vision of unparalleled beauty. Contrary to popular belief, it is not albino. Its snow-white fur, striped with midnight ink, is the result of a rare genetic mutation, leucism. With eyes as blue as the desert sky, it evokes an aura of power and mystery. Unfortunately, this beauty comes at a price. Most white tigers live in captivity, subject to health problems due to inbreeding. But in the wild, they are a rare and inspiring sight, a reminder of the power and fragility of wildlife. Imagine a feline with fur the color of the setting sun, soft stripes like brush strokes on a painting, and eyes that shine with an inner light. This is the golden tiger, a rarity so great that many doubt its existence. Fewer than 30 inhabit our planet, all in captivity. Its golden fur, the result of a genetic mutation even rarer than that of the white tiger, transforms it into a creature straight out of legends. The golden tiger is living proof of nature's power to create wonders that defy our imagination. In the dense forests of the island of Sumatra, we find the smallest but no less ferocious Sumatran tiger. Its fur is darker, its stripes denser, perfect adaptations for life in the dense jungle. It is a master of camouflage, a solitary and strategic hunter. But this little giant is critically endangered. The forests it calls home are disappearing at an alarming rate, victims of human greed. The Sumatran tiger is an urgent reminder of our responsibility to protect not only incredible species, but also the habitats that sustain them. The rainforests of Malaysia hide a secret, the elusive and elegant Malayan tiger. Smaller than its northern relatives, it makes up for its size with intelligence and stealth. Its thin stripes and dark fur make it almost invisible in the dense vegetation. Few have been lucky enough to spot this ghost of the forest. Its population is dwindling every day, threatened by habitat loss and illegal hunting. Protecting the Malayan tiger is protecting one of the last strongholds of wild and mysterious beauty. No journey through the world of tigers would be complete without mentioning the iconic Bengal tiger. Inhabitant of the jungles of India, Bangladesh, and Nepal, it is the most numerous tiger, but its existence is still a constant battle. With its vibrant orange fur and stripes as black as night, it is the very image of wild beauty. But don't be fooled by its majestic beauty. The Bengal tiger is a formidable predator, with the strength and intelligence to take down prey much larger than itself. In the far east of Russia, in a realm of frozen forests and unforgiving temperatures, reigns the Siberian tiger, the largest of all tigers. It is a solitary giant, perfectly adapted to survive in one of the most hostile environments on the planet. Its thick, light-colored fur protects it from the extreme cold, and its wide paws help it move easily in deep snow. Hunting prey such as deer and wild boar, it is the undisputed lord of its frozen domain. To see a Siberian tiger in the wild is to witness the raw power of nature, a creature that defies the limits of survival. And so ends our journey through the world of tigers. 6 magnificent creatures, each with its unique beauty, its strength, and its fragility. But as we have seen, the story of each tiger is also a story of a fight for survival. Habitat loss, illegal hunting, and climate change threaten the existence of these incredible animals. It is up to us, as guardians of this planet, to ensure that these magnificent creatures do not become mere legends of the past.